Alright. Hi guys. What's good guys?
Hey.
Today we will be reviewing
Fine.
6 type of slimes. So let's go with the first one.
You can start with anyone if you want.
Whoa. Alright. This is pretty cool.
Wait, you forgot to say you have
We have blue glittery slime.
no, you have I guess.
Oh, we have a guest today.
Hi.
It feels like glue a lot.
Okay, I'll be right back, guys.
Alright, she'll be right back after these short messages. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's really sticky.
You can do
Let's see the
anyone.
durability test.
Wait. It's right there. Guys, yeah, the big head.
Stop tweaking. Stop. Serious, stop.
He's funny.
Stop right now, stop. Alright. So, yeah, this is the blue slime.
You can do it anyone.
Alright, let's put this one.
Where's the top? Guys, he lost the top.
No, I did not. I'm a pro at this.
You're pro at this?
Alright, next slime.
You can do anything.
We have...
Okay, I'm gonna do one, guys. So, what's this flavor? Maybe the red one.
You have to make sure it goes down.
I choose this one, the red one, because I made the red one. No, I had this white slime and I added red food coloring to it. So I like this red because it's the color of blood. So this is what I got. Red food coloring slime. Okay, so let me open this.
Alright,
Maybe he just tore it apart.
this one is... He's got a slime.
Yeah, it's done.
Alright, okay.
Okay, so this is the red one. And it looks really thin and it's my favorite one. This is my class was asking me for it. I was like, no. I was about to come to this. Like, literally, I was about to punch the next thing.
Ow! Alright, let's put that one back.
No, wrong one.
Okay, next we have gold slime.
Let's go.
Alright, open this one. Open it.
Okay.
Alright, give me it. Alright, so this type of slime looks like it's from looks like it's from kind of